Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. Inside this tutorial I am going to show you how to use motion shapes. Okay, so open this inside the After Effects first, and you can also import this as a normal file with this option, import and file. Okay, so here I will show you how to edit the motion shape attribute like this. Simply select and change its color. Okay, and here is the different categories inside this folder: this line burst and others, and radial lines and random shapes. So according to your requirement you can use like this. You can change its color. So this is very simple. Simply simply create your scene and simply take this and drag and drop on your scene. So one more thing I will show you here is this social media icons. Okay, so I will import all social media icon, drop this down, little triangle. Inside this you get two different folder. Open this and use social media icon according to your requirement. Simply drag and drop inside your composition or inside your scene. So here I will create a new composition and simply select this and drag and drop down here. Now this is too big, scale it down. Now see here, for edit this, go to inside the composition and click on this controller and hit F3 on your keyboard to open the controller panel. So from here you can change the color of your logo like this. So these all are working as it is. So this is all about these two categories: social media icons and motion shapes. So in my next tutorial I am talking about the YouTube pack. Okay, so thanks for watching this tutorial.